What if I show you a tiny coin that is just 20,000 market cap and it has a high potential to turn your investment of $50 into $500 within a short period of time? If you are looking for a place where you can be getting a quick update about low caps and tiny coins, then you are in the right channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on that notification bell. On this channel, we talk about crypto, airdrop, and other legit platforms. And I also invite you to join our Telegram channel. The link to our Telegram channel is in the comment section below. As you can see here, guys, the mooncake is actually under BNB Smart Chain Network, and the current market cap is $19,000 as I am making this video. And the current price of mooncake is 0.0001945. So this pair was created just 11 days ago. These are other information about mooncake. The total number of orders is 1,500 orders as I am making this video, and the top 10 orders is 22.63%. That is for the top 10 orders of this mooncake coin. Circulating supply is 1 billion, while the maximum supply also is 1 billion. Here you can see the all-time high of this mooncake. The all-time high is 0.000628, while the all-time low, it has 5 zeros before 7, 9, and 7, 8. So this is the market cap chart of mooncake as at last 7 days ago. This mooncake was actually around 600,000 market cap, but it has come down deeply now to 20,000 market cap. That means it is in a very good buying position presently. Even if you invest just $20 when it is now 20,000 market cap, by the time it gets to 500,000 market cap, your $20 investment would have become almost $600. This is actually amazing. On a token sniper, mooncake actually scored 100 over 100 on token sniper. Concerning the swap analysis, the token is sellable, not a honeypot at this time, and the buy fee is less than 5%. The buy fee is actually 0%. That is why this coin actually makes sense. The sell fee also is less than 5%. The sell fee is 0%. And for the contract analysis, mooncake has a verified contract source. Contract ownership has been renounced, or source does not contain an owner contract. Then the next one here, creator not authorized for special permission. No risk at all with this contract analysis. For order analysis, creator wallet contains less than 5% of circulating token supply. The creator wallet actually has 0%, as you can see it here, guys. All other holders possess less than 5% of circulating token supply. And the next one here, top 10 token holders possess less than 70% of circulating token supply. And for the liquidity analysis, adequate current liquidity. The comment here is that 9.47 BNB in pancake swap. That is huge, man. And the next one here, at least 95% of largest pools liquidity bond or locked for 15 days or longer. That is 96.35%. Alright guys, that's all the vital information I want to share to you about mooncake. This coin is actually in a good buying entry for now, and just imagine you buying it at 20,000 market cap now and it get to 200,000 or 300,000 market cap. That means your investment would have done 10x to 15x by the time it gets to 300,000 market cap. However, don't forget that crypto is actually a volatile market. Only invest what you can afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. Always do your own research before you invest $1 into any coin. And if you'd like to join my inner circle called Crypto Vault and Mentorship, where you focus on buying all these low cap coins and we are making cool money from it regularly, just chat me up on WhatsApp or Telegram to be added to the group. Thanks for watching guys, and let us meet in my next video.